Yep. Hey, 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 hey. Well, girl, you're looking fine tonight. And every guy has got you in his sight. What you doing with a clown like me? Silly one like little mystery. So tonight, stars above. How did I ever win in love? What did I do? What did I say? Turn your rain to life my way. Well, I'm the guy who never learned. Never even got one second plan. Yep, yep, hey, hey. Morning rain keeps on falling.
He's such a jackass. He's a jackass. Talk about
Just like the tears fall from my eyes.
Woo! Woo!
As I sit in my room, staring out at the glue. Is the rain, is the same old blue. I can't help but thinking. Oh, when the sun used to shine out the back door. Sounds good up here.
Sounds good back here. Woo!
Sound right back here?
Yeah! We want more!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very sweet, thank you. How's that water slide up there? Pretty good? You coming down to the show or what? Later. We'll see you later on.
Bye, Gavin! Thank you! I can't believe you were saying it to us.
I never thought I would do that.
He's talking to them right now. I think there's something wrong with his keyboard. They keep on plugging stuff and plugging stuff. He looks really frustrated. Great job, Gavin! There's like 10 of us. Come say hello.
I have to figure out where the business is.